y'all, welcome back to my channel. I'm Holly and I'm here with a review of blue ribbon jewelry, and this was sent to me to review, and from what the reviews say, this is going to be a wonderful review. This is a jewelry subscription. Well, it's not a box, it's a wonderful little bag, and this, from what the reviews say, is going to be an amazing review. So a little bit about this. Each month you'll receive a pendant and earring set designed and handmade by Bob, who painstakingly sources, matches, and hand assembles his own rhinestones to a particular pendant. He does it all himself. And then your subscription includes your choice of an 18 or 24 inch quality silver plated or electroplated chain with a lobster style clasp. So, I mean, every month Bob makes you your own personal set. So, I mean, that's amazing. It's so personalized, and I think that should say something about this wonderful subscription box. And the best part of this is it's only $15 a month. So, I mean, it has to be wonderful. So I say we should get right into this and see what Bob has sent me. Because, well, what girl doesn't love jewelry, right? So this is what they have sent me, and it has come to me all the way from Jefferson, Oregon. And I have opened it up already. Let's see what they have sent me. I have a little note in there and a little wonderful, cute little, oh, isn't that beautiful? Oh, that's beautiful. I'm going to read my little note. It says that they're anxious to see my review, and it says that he's never made a piece of jewelry until after he retired and was 72 years old. Oh my goodness. He never started making jewelry until he retired and he was 72 years old. My goodness. So he's ready for my review. Oh, and my stone that he sent me is called a crazy lace stone, mined out of Mexico. It is the stone that he sent to the first time subscribers, and he put it on a 24-inch chain. Oh, I can't wait. Okay, let's see what this stone looks like. I can't wait. So here's what our little baggie looks like, and there's a little card attached. Let's see. That's a beautiful chain. Oh, I love it. Our chain. Oh, it says, "Thank you for wearing my jewelry. I know you make it more beautiful, Bob." Oh, isn't that sweet? That is just so sweet. I love that little personal touch. It says Ladies' Choice Jewelry, and then there's a phone number. That is so sweet. I love that personal touch. It just is more personal, and it shows you that there is somebody on the other end, and it didn't just go through a machine, and they just don't care, you know. And it says handcrafted by a 81-year-old great-grandfather in Jefferson, Oregon. That is so sweet. Oh, I love that. Oh, that is so sweet. Oh, I got a tear in my eye. Oh, that is so sweet. Look at that. That is beautiful. Oh, that is so beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Oh my goodness gracious, that is just gorgeous. I love that. Oh my goodness. I'm trying to find, let me see if I can put, I will do it this way. Now, I'm going to try and, there we go. Now, if you can look right by the chain right here, you can see there's some little stones right here. See the stones right there? Absolutely beautiful. This is handcrafted and this is amazing. And there's even a stone right here in that right there. That is gorgeous. We love this. Absolutely beautiful. Oh, absolutely beautiful. Oh my goodness. And then we have a pair of earrings too. As if it couldn't get any better. Oh my goodness. And the earrings come in a little baggie. Oh my goodness. Oh, it's like Christmas. Oh, goodness gracious. Oh, these, oh my goodness. They are so beautiful. Okay, let's hope I can show these and make them look as beautiful as they are. Okay, so there are the earrings. I'm hoping that I'm showing them and I'm doing them justice. I hope. I hope I am. There, I don't know. I'm probably not doing them any justice. I don't know. I'm going to take pictures of them and hopefully. Okay, stop wiggling. Stop wiggling. There we go. Here, there. Maybe it's better in the sun is hitting them and the sun's hitting them. I'm so sorry. I'm not doing them any justice. Oh, here, I'm going to separate. Oh, I lost you. Come back here. I'm sure that I'm going to get lots of compliments on these tonight when I go to work. People are going to be like, where did you get those? They are so beautiful. I'm trying to figure out a way I can show. I know. I'll be right back. I'm going to put them on a blackboard. Be right back. Okay, here we go. How about that? I think that's a little bit better. Maybe we can see them now. They are so pretty. I put them on the black back so that you could see them a little bit better. It's so hard to, that sun, I love the sun now, but it was making it really hard to see. They are so beautiful. So beautiful. I love them. Love them. They are gorgeous. Love them. And I love that they are a matching set. I love that they are just, they go together like PB&J. I love it. Love it, love it, love it. They are just gorgeous. There. Whoa, I almost lost it. They are just absolutely beautiful. Thank you, Bob. Thank you so much. They're beautiful. I love it. I just absolutely love it. And any woman would love to get this. This is beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. And I hope that everyone out there orders their own little perfect set. They get every set that you have in stock, because these are absolutely gorgeous. Beautiful. I love it. Thank you, thank you, thank you for sending me this set. I absolutely love it. And I want to tell you, purple, now I'm probably going to cry. Probably will cry. My baby sister passed away 2 years ago. She was only 44 years old, and purple was her favorite color. So when I saw that these were purple, I opened the bag and they were purple. That meant, this meant more to me. So thank you for sending this to me. I really appreciate it. So thank you, Bob, for sending this to me. I appreciate it. They're beautiful. So, okay guys, well that's it for this video, and thank you again, Bob. And guys, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you guys next time in my next video. Bye now.